Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. Okay, my student, how are you this morning?
Fine,
Yeah.
sir.
Great. Fine, sir.
Alhamdulillah.
Fine.
I'm fine. And then for
How
today,
about you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, I'm well. And then
You look so
last
amazing,
night,
mister.
oh, thank you, Mr. Naja. Thank you. Last night, I'm really happy because today I will meet my great student for this morning. And then before I continue the lesson, because in the last meeting I have talked with you all, and we have studied together. That is about some interesting material, I think. And then for this morning, before we start the program and our lesson today, I would like to check one by one. And then let me check. Ari, where are you, Ari?
Yes, I'm here, Mr. Waris.
Oh, good. And then
Alhamdulillah.
second is Naja. Where are you?
I'm fine. Thank you, mister.
Okay. And then for the next one, Sophie,
Hello, sir.
are you okay?
I'm doing great today.
Okay, thank you. And how about Lily?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then how about Tina? How are you today?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you.
Okay. And then Sulaiman.
I'm here, sir.
Okay, thank you. And then for Daddy.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And then for the next one is Nurholis.
Present, sir.
Okay. How about Risma? How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay, I think that's all. I think, yeah, I have checked one by one, and all the students come today. And then in the last meeting, we have studied about advertisement. And then here, I would like to show you something. Please listen and see carefully. Okay, here is. I have some this one. Okay, Mr. Ari, can you see? If you see this picture,
Yes.
what do you think about this picture?
Soldier,
This picture, what you can read from this picture?
Real American Idol.
Oh,
Our
yeah. this is-
present never forgotten.
Oh, is it? What is it about?
I don't know, sir.
Oh, it doesn't. Okay, for the second slide,
Okay.
I will help you all to know about what our material.
Okay.
And for how about this one, the second slide? I wanna ask from Mr. Sulaiman. Hello, Sulaiman.
Yes, Mister.
If you see this picture,
Yes.
and then in this slide, this is you can read out to show. So what kind of picture this one?
I think like an advertisement, Mister.
Oh, you are really good, sir. So you remember our last meeting, okay? And then for the next one, yeah, this one. In the last meeting, I have divided you to be some group, and then for today, for this morning, I hope to all this group, please together with your group. And the first group, last meeting, Naja with Lily. Kelompok kedua Dedi sama Risma. Yang kelompok ketiga itu Sulaiman sama Isnani. Dan kelompok keempat itu Nurholis dan Tina. Dan terakhir kelompok 5 Ari dan sama Sofi. Terakhir, ketika kita pertemuan terakhir itu, kita telah membahas tentang iklan yang khususnya tentang event. Masih ingat anak-anak ya? Tentang event advertisement.
Thank you, sir.
Insyaallah.
Could you repeat again, sir?
Untuk selanjutnya, for the next step, I want you to have more understanding about this material because this material is very important. Do you know that some of the artists in Indonesia to be famous to have much money, I think, to get salary because of he has competent to be advertisement creator. For example, it's like siapa? Sprite. Sponsor dari Sprite siapa? Kira-kira? Cak Long?
Boris.
Cak Lontong.
Nah,
Lontong.
dia ngomongnya itu nggak terlalu banyak, tapi ketika dia sudah di ambassador dari sebuah iklan, maka iklan itu akan secepat mungkin untuk
Right.
Nah,
Is
itu
it Sprite?
Iya, gimana aja?
Sprite or Sprite?
Oh, Sprite.
Sprite.
Spirit
Sprite,
semangat.
Sprite.
Sprite, okay.
Okay, thank you,
And,
sir.
one of the interesting one is about the. I'm so sorry, I think, because it's in the education, but I have to tell to you one of the example that is very interesting about cigarette advertisement. Itu yang ada jinnya gitu. Cerita, kamu pengen apa begitu?
Lanjut
Itu
loh.
menarik. Nah, hari ini anak-anak semua, kalian akan memfokuskan dalam pembelajaran itu bagaimana menyampaikan sebuah teks, sebuah event advertisement, iklannya khusus tapi dalam advertisement, dalam sebuah presentasi. Jadi nanti pada akhir kegiatan ini anak-anak saya harapkan semuanya bisa mempresentasikan sebuah iklan yang sudah pertemuan terakhir kalian buat. Oke, siap ya anak-anak ya?
Siap, Bapak.
Oke.
Okay. And then for to help you, I have some video here. I think this video is it's not too long, but it's not too short. I ask you all to watch carefully. It's very interesting because the speaker is very beautiful and interactive. Yes, very interactive, I think. Okay, check it out. This one. Can you see it?
Very beautiful.
Yeah. As the most important from this video, I hope you all understand what the Madam English said to you. And then in the end of this video, I will ask you and retell what is the point of this video. Okay? Are you ready to listen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Check it out.
No sound, Mister.
Ini adalah
Yeah.
advertisement
Yes,
itu
listen well.
to give information to
Okay,
the
please
people
listen
about the
carefully.
event, and then to ask people come and join to the event, the activities in the event. Well, students, you get the point? Nah, sekarang kita akan melihat ya structure dari text advertisement yang kita fokuskan kepada event advertisement. Berikut ini. Nah, structure yang pertama adalah name of the event. Harus besar-besar tuh dikasih tahu ya apa sih nama eventnya. And then the event organizer or the sponsor. Nah, jadi event organizer itu adalah siapa sih yang mengadakan acara ini dan sponsornya mungkin siapa. Nah, biasanya sponsor itu mendukung suatu acara ya. Selanjutnya ada the explanation of the event. Acaranya itu bakalan ada apa? Misalnya nih ada school event. School eventnya itu anniversary of the school. Nah, biasanya ada competition. Nah, nanti dijelaskan competitionnya itu ada apa aja. Seperti itu ya. Nah, selanjutnya adalah contact information. Dalam contact information ini biasanya diberikan nomor telepon mungkin, link untuk mendaftar mungkin, atau website yang perlu kita tuju jika kita ingin mengikuti kegiatan dalam yang acara yang diiklankan. Seperti itu ya. So, next nanti biasanya juga ada tambahan day, date, ya, informasi seperti itu ya, kapan sih acaranya, jam berapa, and also the location, di mana tempatnya. Jadi kita tidak bingung nih ketika kita mau join the event, we know when is it, where is it, and we know we should go there by apa. Mungkin kita bisa ke sana menggunakan transportasi umum dan lain-lain. Jadi kita bisa tahu nih kalau lokasinya di mana. Ya kan? Well, students, jadi ini adalah structure of the text dari advertisement ya, yang event advertisement. Jadi yang pertama tadi ada name of the event. What is it? Okay? And then who is the event organizer? Harus ada itu ya, siapa sih yang ngadain acara? Misalnya sekolah ABC. Oh, ABC School proudly present. Misalnya gitu ya. Jadi ABC School itu dengan bangga mempersembahkan seperti itu. Nah, jadi selanjutnya ada explanation about the event ya, dijelaskan. Ada kegiatan apa di dalam event tersebut, lalu kapan, jam berapa, di mana ya. Ada where, when, sama why we should join the event. Biasanya ada nih special guest, mungkin ada special prize, mungkin ada hadiah tertentu. So ini yang akan membuat iklan kalian menarik tentunya ya. Iklan-iklan itu menarik kalau ada guest star-nya, ada mungkin bintang tamu yang favorit kalian, seperti itu ya. And the last tentunya ada contact information. Contact information ini tempat kita bertanya mungkin, question and answer, tempat kita mendaftar, bisa menggunakan nomor telepon, email, social media mungkin, atau bisa juga website dan link tentunya ya. Well students, ini adalah strukturnya sekali lagi. Nah, sekarang kita akan bahas nih linguistic features in the text. Untuk language features atau linguistic features dari advertisement ini tentunya menggunakan bahasa yang persuasif. Karena kita mengajak orang lain, kita mempengaruhi orang lain untuk mengikuti kegiatan yang sedang kita iklankan, begitu ya. So, jadi kalimatnya itu lebih persuasif gitu ya. Come join us, misalnya gitu ya. ABC School proudly present, come join us, don't miss it. Nah, biasanya ada kata-kata seperti itu. Nah, selanjutnya menggunakan kata yang sopan, begitu ya, tidak memakai slang words. Nah, selanjutnya nih dalam iklan juga bahasanya itu harus clear, harus jelas, jangan disingkat-singkat, begitu ya. Nah, ini aja nih yang bisa Miss kasih contoh ya untuk linguistic features-nya. Nanti kalian bisa identify lagi kira-kira ada apa lagi sih. Bisa jadi ada adjective di dalamnya seperti itu. Jadi intinya adalah bahasa dalam advertisement itu more persuasive gitu ya, lebih attracting the people to come and join the event. Jadi kita meng-attract orang untuk ikut dalam kegiatan yang sedang diadakan atau diiklankan tersebut. Well, gimana? Sudah paham? Tadi kita sudah bahas social function-nya atau the purpose of the text, lalu structure of the text, and the last linguistic features of the text. Now, I'm going to give you the examples about advertisement ya, tapi sekarang Miss mau kasih taunya advertisement yang biasanya kita temukan di social media. Nah, begitu. Miss akan memberikan contoh ya, advertisement yang ada di social media biasanya dipublish di Instagram, di TikTok mungkin, atau di Facebook dan lain-lain. Nah, Miss contohkan satu ya di sini. Nanti setelah itu you will have a practice. You need to read the advertisement text and then answer some question based on the text. Okay, so let's see the example of advertisement here. Well students, jadi ini adalah example dari advertisement ya, iklan, dan ini Miss dapatkan dari social media tentunya. Iklan ini biasanya dipublish di social media seperti Instagram, Facebook, dan lain-lain gitu ya. Nah, kita akan lihat dulu nih kira-kira what is the event ya. Nama eventnya apa sih? Namanya adalah namanya adalah SDB Fair 2020. Nah, ini adalah name of the event. Nah, misalkan memberikan tulisan di sini ya. Ini adalah name of the event. Sorry nih kalau agak kecoret, nggak apa-apa ya. And then setelah name of the event, ada explanation of the eventnya. Nah, dalam acara ini ternyata ada competition. Competition apa aja sih? Ada English Olympics di sini, ada SDB Cup di sini ya, ada Art World di sini. Nah, nama eventnya, kegiatannya apa aja di sini dijelaskan. Ada spelling bee for SD, speech and storytelling, speech storytelling and newscasting, lalu ada futsal, volleyball, lalu ada singing idol, acoustic and short movie, ada juga fotografi ya. Nah, ini adalah kegiatan yang akan diadakan di SDB Fair 2020. Lalu kapan sih acara ini? Nah, kamu bisa lihat di sini ya, kecil ya, tapi ya terlihat lah ya, 17 sampai 22 Februari. Nah, seperti itu. Jadi, ini adalah tanggal pelaksanaannya. Di mana? Tentu saja di SDB, di Sekolah Dharma Bangsa. Di bawahnya ada alamat nih. Kalau kalian melihat ya, di bagian sini, sorry, Miss kasih tanda. Nah, di bagian sini tuh ada alamatnya di bagian bawah. Sekolah Dharma Bangsa, Jalan Zainal Abidin Pagar Alam nomor 93 Raja Basa Bandar Lampung. Nah, itu dia alamatnya. Jadi acaranya bakal di sana. Selanjutnya Miss bilang tadi ada contact information. Nah, di sini ada nih for more info di bagian bawah ya. Ada Guntur, ada nomor teleponnya. Hanggoro ada nomor teleponnya, Yusa atau Abin ada nomor teleponnya. Selanjutnya di bawahnya juga ada Instagram, ada website dan juga nomor telepon kantor. Yang tidak kalah penting, acara ini tentunya ada sponsor. Di bagian paling bawah itu ada sponsornya, ada Suzuki, ada JNE, lalu ada apa nih, Asia, Bank BNI, penerbit Erlangga dan lain-lain seperti itu ya. Jadi yang mengadakan adalah SDB Sekolah Dharma Bangsa dan OSIS-nya di sini ada lambang OSIS-nya ya. Yang mengadakannya, host of the event is Sekolah Dharma Bangsa gitu ya. Kalau di
That's all I think. Hello student, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
Yes. Okay, now. Okay. Just now I have showed to you from Madam English to tell about our material that is about event advertisement. Jadi iklan di awal pertemuan kemarin itu kita sudah jelaskan bahwasanya iklan itu banyak jenisnya. Ada iklan barang, menawarkan barang, ada iklan services, jasa, dan yang terakhir itu adalah berupa event. Nah, ini fokus kita hari ini yaitu tentang cara pembuatan, cara mengaplikasikan, cara mempresentasikan sebuah iklan yang berupa advertisement event atau event advertisement. Okay, before I continue, here there is some group, and then before that, I would like to show you our material. This one, the event advertisement. This, and then I would like to retell, and then I help you to more understand about this subject because this subject is very important, I think. And then function atau tujuan dari advertisement tadi itu dijelaskan bahwasanya tujuan dari iklan itu to promote an event and inform people to come and join the activity of the event. Perlu diingat anak-anak ya, sebuah event itu pastinya butuh orang lain. Kita tidak bisa sendiri. Berarti otomatis karena itu adalah sebuah event, maka akan berkaitan dengan orang banyak di situ. Ada panitianya, nanti dijelaskan lebih banyak ya. Berarti ini nanti bagaimana event yang akan kita buat itu orang lain bisa tersampaikan, bisa mendengar, bisa tertarik untuk datang atau mengikuti itu. Apakah itu ada sebuah lomba atau pertunjukan gitu. Biasanya for example seperti di sekolah-sekolah itu biasanya sering adakan Expo Kampus. Expo Kampus itu adalah yang mengadakan pihak sekolah. Tapi dia bisa mendatangkan dari segitu banyaknya perguruan tinggi untuk datang ke kampusnya. Itu ya pakai advertisement juga. Nah, nanti bagaimana? Kita lanjut. Oke, for the next one. Nah, ada struktur teksnya. Dalam teks event itu, yang terpenting di situ ada beberapa bagian. Yang pertama itu name of the event. Nama eventnya itu apa? Apakah itu tentang music performance, opera performance, talks, workshop, exhibition, sport match, atau apa gitu, seperti Expo Kampus atau seperti yang tadi yang saya contohkan itu. Oke, berikutnya yaitu tentang struktur teksnya. Event organizer, di dalam itu ada event organizer. Event organizer itu EO, Bahasa kerennya sekarang itu EO. Orang nikah pun sekarang pakai EO ya, biar nggak ribet ya. Pakai EO saja. EO itu apa sih? EO itu adalah kepanjangan dari event organizer yang dalam bahasa Indonesianya berarti penyelenggara acara. Secara harfiah EO ialah pihak atau penyedia jasa profesional yang mengatur keberlangsungan suatu acara. Nah, sering kita lihat, sering kita ketahui di televisi ketika ada artis menikah dengan artis ini, biasanya mereka biar tidak terlalu disibukkan dengan urusan yang sakral itu, mereka membutuhkan bantuan dari seorang EO. Oke. Siapa yang pelaksananya itu? The next, ini contoh-contohnya, the Wideng to Remember, Master Plan Agency, dan seterusnya. Berikutnya, struktur teks yang ada di dalamnya, yaitu tentang yang ketiga itu ada sponsornya. Pasti ya, pasti. Sebuah kegiatan itu butuh dana. Nah, dana itu salah satunya selain dari registration peserta itu ada, dan juga kita membutuhkan dari sponsor. Apakah harus berbentuk uang sponsor itu? Oh tidak. Nah, di sini dijelaskan bahwasanya sponsor adalah bentuk dukungan atas peristiwa atau kegiatan atau pihak. Biasanya bentuk dukungan ini diberikan dalam bentuk uang, tapi bisa juga dalam bentuk hibah atau peminjaman aset. Oh, di sini itu ada namanya ABC Sound System. Saya siap menyponsori. Nah, ditanya dengan pihak penyelenggara apa? Saya siap membantu terop dan kursi dan peralatan sound systemnya. Itu termasuk sponsor. Ketika dituliskan dalam sebuah brosur, maka sponsor itu juga harus dicantumkan. Contoh di sini Astra World, Suara Surabaya, MUTV, dan RCTI mungkin, dan seterusnya. Itu contoh-contoh sponsor masih banyak di lingkungan kita ya. Berikutnya yaitu tentang explanation of the event. Ini penting sekali karena inti dari event itu, dari advertisement itu di ininya, di eventnya itu. Yaitu menjelaskan inti dari iklan tersebut dengan sangat mendetail. Pada umumnya dalam hal ini iklan tersebut menjelaskan meliputi yang pertama, nama eventnya apa, kalau ada gesternya siapa, event location, lokasinya di mana, date and time, contact information. Nah, perlu juga ditambahkan nanti karena orang kalau umpamanya mengadakan sebuah kegiatan yang berkaitan tentang kan sekolah berupa kompetisi, berarti di situ ada registration atau fee yang harus diterapkan di situ. So don't forget to mention how much. Biasanya, for example, for the first registration, 1st August until 50,000. Nah, nanti lebih dari itu dinaikkan, oke. For 16 until 30 Agustus, the registration is 75,000 dan seterusnya. Biasanya begitu. Dan ini juga sering diterapkan dalam penerimaan mahasiswa baru di sebuah kampus itu. Ketika dia mendaftar di jenjang pertama atau di gelombang pertama, so they will get the cheaper price than the second or the third level or the third period. Okay, so don't forget this one. Okay. Don't forget this one, and also you so mention the contact person. In mention contact person, you have to mention one by one. For example, nomor HP-nya itu dibaca satu-satu dalam pelafalan sebuah iklan. 085731. So you have to mention 087 085 733 5 bla 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 bla. Okay, mention one by one. Tidak dibaca 1100. No, but you have to mention one by one. And then don't forget, for angka 0 dalam bahasa advertisement, maka 0 itu dibaca dengan 0. Okay, understand? Mr. Sulaiman, do you understand? Halo?
Yes, I'm
Yes, yes.
So, angka 0 itu nanti dibaca dengan angka O. Okay? The next one. The next, persuasif. Ini unsur kebahasaannya harus persuasif. Adalah salah satu jenis kalimat yang digunakan bertujuan menyajikan atau mengajak, merayu atau membujuk pembaca atau pendengar. Biasanya itu ya persuasif. Enak didengar, orang ketika mendengar itu tertarik langsung gitu. For example, ini ada kalimat yang pertama, Indonesia Mencari Bakat is the most interesting talent competition Indonesia. Orang kalau baru mendengar ketika ada acara ini, karena disebut dengan first interesting talent, mesti tertarik. Ketika Bapak Ibu anak-anakku semua membuat sebuah iklan, sering-seringlah menggunakan kata-kata yang pendengar itu semakin tertarik. Ini kalimat yang di sini, ini bagus sekali, ada kata the first interesting talent competition. Ini adalah sebuah kata-kata yang sangat luar biasa dalam Islam ya. And then for the next, I want to be professional speaker, register immediately. Kalau ingin menjadi pembicara yang profesional, ayo daftar di sini segera. Nah, ini kan menarik begitu. The next, come join us, don't miss it, and our school will present bla 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 bla. Okay. And then for the next one, unsur kebahasaan dalam event itu harus sopan, polite. Nah, polite itu bagaimana? Polite itu sopan. Salah satunya itu tidak menggunakan kata-kata yang disingkat. I gonna, that's not good if you present in the advertisement. Would you like to please come? Please contact our office, for example. Would you like to come? Would you mind if you come? Dan seterusnya. Tidak menggunakan kata-kata slang. Sorry, di sini ada contoh. I think she is going to crash at your party. Saya rasa dia akan tampil, dia akan datang, dia akan tampil atau crash itu datang ya. The next one, yang berikutnya, yang unsur kebahasaan yang berikutnya yaitu tentang pemilihan kata yang jelas dan pemilihan kata yang this event is very interesting. Ini dituntut semua dalam membuat iklan itu harus mempunyai banyak kosakata. Nah, kesempatan ini, this is about a word. The perintahnya begini. After this, I would like to make the game. And then I will ask you to mention the word, to continue the word that your friend mentioned it. For example, ya. Jadi anak-anak semua, silahkan ucapkan sebuah kata yang nanti kata itu dibuat dari kata terakhir alfabet temannya. Contoh ya, seperti contoh waris. Waris itu alfabetnya ada 5. Tapi huruf terakhirnya itu berupa, and the last word of waris is S. So, the person after me, you have to make the new word by initial S. As for example, song. For example, sing. For example, she, dia perempuan. That's okay. Okay, are you ready, my student? I want to know how well.
Ready, sir.
Here, I want to urutnya ya, the list the student. Nanti saya sendiri Mr. Waris ini, I will start the word, to mention the word, and this is Naja. Where are you, Naja?
Naja is in the bathroom, sir.
Oh, Naja is in the bathroom. How about Daddy? Where are you, Daddy?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Okay, Sulaiman.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, okay. The
Yes,
next,
sir.
Nurholis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and then the next one is Ari. How about Ari?
Ya, saya di sini, Pak.
Oke, siap. Sofi. Halo, Sofi.
Hello, sir.
Oh ya, the next one, Lily.
I'm here.
Okay, and the next one is Risma. Where are you, Risma?
I'm fine.
Okay, and then
sir.
okay. The next one is Tina. Okay, are you ready? Now,
Yes,
now
sir.
I would like to start. This playing game, improving your vocabulary is important, I think. Ayo, saya mulai. I would like. The first word is that I want to say to you. Yes. Okay, how about Daddy?
Yeah.
Yes, huruf terakhirnya berupa huruf S. So what is
Yes.
the next word?
Sing.
Sing. Oh, that's good. You are a good student. And then for the next one, Sulaiman, sing is the last word is G. You have to make the new word by initial G.
Game.
Game. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's right. Game, right. Nurholis, How about you, Nurholis? Halo, Nurholis?
Eagle.
Eagle.
Yes, sir. Eagle.
Eagle. Wah, Ari.
Yes.
Ari, eagle.
Yes.
What is the last word of eagle, Ari? Halo, Ari.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
I am ninja.
the last word of eagle.
Eagle.
Yes,
Nero.
eagle. Oh, Nero. Oh, yeah. It's okay. Nero. Nah, okay. Eagle is the last word is E. So you have to. The first word is. Okay, no problem. Now, so you are happy today. You can laugh. Okay, no problem. The point of this studying is to make you happy. I'm really happy if you are happy, you know.
The point is
Okay.
happy, not lesson guys. Start.
Yeah. Yeah, I always do it in my class, you know. In other classes, I always make it. It is help you all to improve your skill, especially in the vocabulary. So I want to continue for the last word from Mr. Nurholis. That is about eagle. I wanna ask to Naja. Eagle. What is the last word of eagle, Naja?
E.
E. So what is the new word that is initial from E?
Enjoy.
Enjoy. So the last word is Y or Y in English. How about Sophie? How is Sophie? Enjoy.
Hi, sir.
Enjoy. The last word is Y.
Why?
Yeah.
Why do I have to answer?
Yeah, this is your turn, you know. You have to make the new word. So what is your word that is initial by Y?
Okay, one.
Don't lie. Continue, please. Why?
Punishment.
Why? Okay,
Punishment,
my
sir.
word.
Punishment, sir.
Anybody want to help her, please? Why? What is the word that initial by Y?
Young.
Yum, mengunyah.
Yum.
Yeah, that's right. Is that
Yummy.
Yummy.
yummy? Why? Okay, no problem. Are you Lily?
Youngster.
Oh, young. You choose young. Yeah. Lily?
Youngster.
Oh, youngster. So using R, okay?
Yellow.
Only one.
Well,
Sophie, don't be so spirit. Your friend, you know. Lily.
don't be so spirit.
The last one is. Don't
What
laugh,
should I say?
Yeah. In this, I'm really happy today. I see Nurholis is very happy. That's okay. Okay, Lily. You can. I'm sorry. You can make the new word by initial Y. Hey, star ya dari youngster. R.
Yes, R.
R. Mrs. Lily, please.
Rainbow.
Oh, rainbow. Okay, Lily, thank you. Risma. Rainbow is the last word is W. Hello, Risma. You make new word by way. W. What is the word?
Wisdom.
Wisdom. Okay. Good. Wisdom. Is back to the rule. Okay. And this one is Nani. How about is Nani?
Yes, sir.
Last one is M.
Mango.
Mango. Oh. The last one is Tina. Where are you, Tina?
I'm here, sir.
Yeah, you can make the new word by initial O. What is that?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. So you do well this morning. I'm really happy and you make me laugh. Okay, thank you. Give applause. Okay. That is if I have much time in our class for the next one. This one. Some example ya. Nah, ada contoh. This is some example of the event. Ini common question in the events. Dalam sebuah iklan layanan event, sebuah kegiatan, biasanya pertanyaan, the common questions that you find. For example, what is the advertisement about? Ini kira-kira ini advertisement tentang apa? Wis jelas tertulis di sini. It's very clear. That is about grand final tournament. And then, what are the activities in the event? Ini jelas ya. That's the answer is playing futsal. And then for the third question, where will the event be held? Where itu pertanyaan lokasi. Nah, di sini ada jawabannya. So the answer is Grand Sports Center. And then when will the event be held? When itu menanyakan waktu, kapan dilakukan itu atau dilaksanakannya, yaitu tanggal 29 March 2019. Okay, that is the example. And then because this material you have no well and you have to it by your group, I have asked to you together with your group. Okay, now I will ask you to prepare your presentation. Please gather and try to effort to do your best. But before, I would like to show you how to show your event advertisement. Okay, so this is the next video.
Yes. It's unwell.
Thank you. Now you listen carefully. This is the example, because after this, I will ask you every group to present what you have made last meeting. Okay, and this is one of the way. Ini.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Could I go to the lavatory, please?
Yes. Okay. No problem. But don't forget, you directly come back to this class. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay. Go fast and come back fast. Okay. Okay, now let me play for you special. Okay, this is it.
Present an event advertisement that I have made yesterday. But first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Naura Alifa Putri. I am in the 10th grade, majoring in Natural Science, class 7, and my student number is 23. So, let's get started. Are you obsessed with K-pop and like to dance or sing? If so, then this competition is definitely made for you. Let's take a part in K-Star, an annual K-pop dance and song cover competition presented by Lipo Plaza Jogja and sponsored by Tribun Jogja, TVRI, Prambors FN, Grab, and Bank BRI. Not only K-pop dance and song contest, there will be many fun events, such as special performances from guest star and former champions, games and talk with guest star, and Korean Good Bazaar. The guest star are Pink Panda, Aurelize, Nadafit, and many more. This event will be held on the 3rd of April until the 4th of April 2021. It will run from 10 o'clock until it's finished.
This is one. Yes. I can make it simple for you to try and to practice the presentation of your product, especially your event advertisement with your group. Nanti anak-anak praktekkan presentasi ke teman grupnya sesuai dengan kelompok yang telah kita buat pertemuan terakhir itu. And then for today, I would like to tell you how to make starting presentation is easier for you. Okay, this one, the first ya. Nanti anak-anak semua, you say salam, assalamualaikum, dan seterusnya. After that, you introduce your name, and then tell where do you come from. Kamu dari utusan dari mana, nanti disebutkan. And then in here, in the first step, using polite sentence. Ini seperti ini contoh yang sering digunakan dalam mempresentasikan dengan bahasa yang sangat sopan. Oke, semuanya diperhatikan, ikuti saya ya. Semuanya ngikuti dan dihafalkan ini. Jadi ketika nanti presentasi, minimal ketika mempresentasikan di awal, ini tidak boleh membaca. Oke, biar kelihatan profesional dan bagus begitu. Oke, coba ulangi saya bersama-sama. Oke, my friends. Hello.
Okay, my
Okay,
friend.
Okay, my friend.
Standing in front of you all,
I'm standing
I'm
in front of
Standing in
all.
front of you all.
Standing.
I would like to,
Standing in front of you all.
I would like to present
I would
I
like
would
to
present
I would like
my group event presentation.
my guru
my
presentation.
presentation.
Event presentation.
A presentation. Okay, that's good, Naja. You have good English, I think.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you're welcome. And then for the next step, okay, it's time for you to show your English skill. And then please you come with your group, and then I would like to give you about 5 minutes. Okay, I will give you time 5 minutes to prepare and to practice. If you have any problem, you have find the difficulties in the vocabulary, you can call me and I will help you. Or maybe you can use the Google Translator by using your handphone. Okay. Okay. I would like to give you time for 5 minutes to prepare it. Okay. In every group next time, I need delegation. It's not all the students to come and to present your product. I think I only need a few students, for example, for today. And then for the other student who don't have a chance this morning, I would like to continue your presentation in the next meeting. Okay? Jadi hari ini hanya beberapa saja yang maju. Yang pertama itu nanti I would like to choose Lily. This is Lily nanti presentasi pertama. And then
Lily is in the bathroom, sir.
oh yeah, it's no problem. But it's the least. The next one is Daddy, and the last one Sophie from group 5 dari grup 5 ya. Silakan didiskusikan dulu sama teman-temannya di satu grup itu. Nah, disiapkan. Yang penting
Grup saya siapa, Bapak?
bagaimana Bu? Bagaimana anakku? Bagaimana Sophie? Jangan ketawa.
Sophie.
Ah,
Come on, Sophie.
come on, this is your time to show, you know.
What about the other group first? I'm
Yeah.
going to do the last. I
Yeah.
haven't ready yet.
You can prepare with your group. I give you time 5 minutes. It's okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Who's my group member? I do forget.
This one from the group 3 and the group 4. Because time I think it's not enough for this morning. I will continue for the next meeting. Okay? For Sulaiman, Isnani, Nurholis, and Tina, and Naja also, and Naja and Ari. Okay? For today, we will listen only 3 students. Okay? Was over, and then it's time for us to show, to listen and correct to listen, especially to listen and study from your friend. Itu penting ya, it's important. Kata guru saya dulu itu nak ya, untuk mengukur anak bisa dan tidaknya itu dari sejauh mana kita bisa memahami orang berbicara. When you understand someone speaking, so it means you have the same vocabulary with him. But when you speak, when someone speaks and then you don't understand anywhere, so it means you don't have any vocabulary. So in this time, it's good chance for you to study from your friend. Study from your friend. Oke, nanti ketika nanti ada kesalahan dalam pronunciation, dalam penyampaian, nanti di akhir presentasi, nanti Mister kasih masukan, oke? Oke, how about Lily? Are you ready, Lily?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now please come forward to present your advertisement, okay? For all the students, give applause to motivate Lily. Okay. Okay, Lily, you can see, you can present what I asked you. Time is yours.
Okay, I'm sorry, sir. What should I say firstly?
You can say just now I have talked to you. You have went to restroom just now. Okay.
Yeah, she was in the bathroom.
Now wait.
Okay, friend. I will present our.
Wait a minute. I will show you how to start. Okay.
Okay.
This is it. Okay. Wait. This is the way how to your event. This one. Can you see? This one ini, the last one. Okay, my friends. I'm sorry, this is last S. Standing, jika tidak ada subjeknya, kamu langsung bisa menggunakan diingkan sebagai gerund. Nggak usah dijelaskan secara structure ya. Nanti ada waktunya. Now, okay, my friend, standing in front of you all, I would like to present my group event advertisement. Okay, Lily?
Okay, don't close it, sir.
Oh, that's one. Okay. Please, you present. Time is yours.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
I'm Fauzia. I'm from Kendal. Okay, my friend. I would like to present my group event advertisement. Oke. Langsung ke teksnya ya, Pak ya?
Yeah.
Russian Open Badminton Tournament 2022. Is the champion win over $5,000 worth of prizes. Time Saturday, February 2022 at 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Location Hudson Sports Center. Registration free $15. Closing date January 14. Match categories: man or woman single, or man or woman double. Registration and info, please call 09123456. Okay, thank you.
Okay, good presentation. Ayo, give applause to your friend. Okay, good presentation. One thing to correct you, especially to Lily, great job. You have present well. And then something that you have to remember, and also to other students, please prepare well before you present, so you can present your advertisement fluently. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Good job, Lily. And then for the second student from the next group, Daddy. Where are you, Daddy?
Okay, sir. I'm here.
Okay. Now it's time for you to present your group event advertisement. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Dedi, and I would like to present my event advertisement. Habibie Futsal Cup Jakarta. Description: under 19, non-pro and non-ex-pro. Reward: money and trophy. For contact, Sukma WhatsApp in 857-1730910. Location: Kebayoran Lama, South Jakarta, and the match day 10 until 30 August 2022. For registration for fee 650,000 rupiah, and show your best skill in this competition. Thank you.
Wow, Daddy, you have a good presentation. Good job. Okay, good
Thank
job.
you, sir.
Okay, I have to correct something
Sure.
from you. Just now in your presentation, you say you will get what's it?
Yes.
Money and trophy. It will be to mention how much money in that competition
Okay.
prize. Okay, maybe about 2 million or 5 million. So the reader or the listener will be more.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we are going to the last group presentation. I would like to ask Sophie. Ayo, Sophie, please come forward. Present your advertisement event.
Okay, sir. Uh, Hello, guys. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sophia Nani Hayati, and I am from Mandua Kudus. Standing in front of you all, I would like to present my group event advertisement. Okay. Welcome to Grand Futsal Tournament. Grand Sports Center is pleased to announce that our third annual futsal tournament will be held on Friday, September 29, 2022. We challenge you to be the winner. The fees is only $15 per entry, and the location is in Grand Sports Center, Jakarta. The ticket available on grandfutsal.com. Like to witness our new champion to be born. For more information, contact us in 085643353362374. Thank you.
Wow, you have good English, girl. Next time, if this school have the invitation to join the competition, I will ask you to join and then to join the competition because time is over. I would like to tell you something that you have to do in your home. The next meeting is continue the presentation who haven't come forward this morning. Okay? Jadi anak-anak yang belum maju, next meeting akan maju mempresentasikan iklannya. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then for next one, I wanna ask you, Mr. Nurholis. Nurholis, what do you
Yes, sir.
study from our meeting today?
Pardon, sir. Pardon, sir.
What we can study? What can we study from our meeting today?
Jadi kalau kita mau buat iklan itu harus jelas dengan menggunakan kata-kata yang sopan. Yes, like that, sir.
Okay, that's great. How about Ari? Hi, Ari.
Yes, sir.
After you join my class this morning, so what you can study? What you can study from our lesson?
Sorry. Please loudly, Miss.
Oh
Mister.
yeah, I will repeat again. What can you study from our meeting today? Hello? Can you hear me? What can we study from our meeting today? Yang kita pelajari dari pelajaran hari ini apa yang Ari dapatkan? Oh, listen well, I think. Tina, hi Tina.
Hi, sir.
Can you tell me and also to your friend what can you study from our meeting today?
The social function of the advertisement, maybe. It is
Oh.
to promote an event.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, that's all I think. So for today, we have discussed together about event advertisement, and one of the group delegation have presented in our class today. From your homework in your home, please you open. Wait a minute, okay? In LKPD, in this one, please answer this one, okay? In your home, after you see the movie and during we are studying together, this one. Wait. This one, okay? And in your LKPD, I ask some question for you. Please write 5 phrase or sentence commonly found in the event advertisement. Jadi anak-anak semua, please you fulfill in this your LKPD to write 5 that you commonly found. Yang sering kalian temukan di iklan itu apa saja, kalian tulis di sini, and then don't forget to write in the meaning. Okay, understand?
Sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, and then before we stop our meeting and close our meeting today, I have to say something to you. Don't forget to always keep your health, and then always be happy. Okay? Salah satu bahagia itu harus tetap dengan cara tetap tersenyum. Oke, anak-anak semua, coba senyum semuanya. Keep your smile. Begitu kan kalau mau mengakhiri kelasnya kan nanti pulang dari kelas ini kan happy begitu. Oke, happy. Oke, thank you very much that's all. And then kita tutup programnya bersama-sama dengan pembacaan alhamdulillah bersama-sama. Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much. Jika Mister punya salah dalam proses pembelajaran, oke. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.